Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video that I'm actually using with my voice and actually playing a game. So you may be wondering, what the heck are you doing with your outfit? I don't know. We're doing a troll today and I'm joined by my friend Bino. So yeah, we're gonna be trolling her today. Also, sorry about that I have no intro yet. I am working on one, but we'll have one soon. Bino. Okay, so hey, she looks good. Sorry if I cough. I'm quite a little sick. Non-dairy, non-dairy. Yeah. What about? At least I don't use code. Oh, she's a bit annoying, isn't she? Wow, wow. Sure, Alamo. Yes. Run. Alright, let's make my name Booby. Oh, nice. Okay, so we're gonna see if he actually wants to be friends. Mason, can we be friends? Please, please. Um, okay, so we'll see. Thanks for being so nice. By the way, say hi to you. It might not. Okay, so I'm gonna add some music in a minute so you guys don't get bored. Yeah. You do me. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head into this math class and we are, yeah, welcome to my thing. And we're going to change my outfit up for you guys. And we're going to quickly do this. Okay, first off, we're going to make our skin normal. Packages. I want to be kind of fast for you guys, so just keep that in mind. I'll actually make like this one. Okay. Hair. What should I do for hair? I'll do this. Good. Shirts. My thing is taking so long to load. And we're going to change my name. So, yeah, face. We're going to do my thick rimmed. We're going to do the bear mask, I guess. And face, we'll do Dizzy. Okay, guys, so now we're going to go back in here. We're going to say my name's Amanda. So let's apply that. And we're going to go up to the same dude and see if he wants to be friends or not. So we're really going to test the kindness of people now. Downstairs, right. So we're actually going to see how nice people are. Where is he? Background music. Hopefully Connor will be there. Okay. Wanna be friends? We're gonna see how rude people are. Okay guys, so we're going to expose him. Hashtag expose. Say hi to you, YouTube. I was Booty and you said no. But when I dressed up, like a pro. You didn't want to. You wanted to be friends. Hashtag exposed. Be nicer next time. Summer plates. Okay, guys, so we actually got on. Okay, so we got a fan-ish girl. Hey, hey guys. Olivia. Look in chat. Copy and paste what I'm gonna say. Okay, guys. So we got one person and one person. Sorry. Okay. Hey guys. So I want you to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you are new, which you probably are, make sure to subscribe. You would really like it. Today was a fun one, and I'll probably be doing a Bloxburg one. Go follow me at the Summer Queen on Roblox, because I have a little company I'm working on where I build stuff on Bloxburg, so that'll be fun. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!